What are the 5 different ways you can manage your cash better even at this economic turmoil or the unprecedented tougher times? We are in the extended lockdown phase. Let's make the most out of it. 70% of the economic activity has been stopped now. Employers are facing a lot of cash flow problem, where employees are facing job losses, salary cuts, even the salaries has been put under variable pay. So a lot of unprecedented things are happening. How can you manage your money better even at this tougher times? There are 5 ways. Listen to this. Definitely it will help you. Now, number 1 way is care for your cash. Cash is king at this point in time. So how are you going to utilize this resource properly, effectively? If you are an employer or if you are an employee, both, take this situation. When you are going for an underwater swimming, you are carrying an oxygen at your back. If you want to travel longer, swim longer, what is most important? How effectively you are going to utilize the oxygen? How smartly you are going to utilize it? Absolutely. If you are an employer, identify which are the areas are most urgent first, most important second. Allocate your resources effectively. If you are an employee, even after this lockdown period, cut down the entertainment, malls, cinemas, which are non-essentials. Be frugal for the next 6 months. That is the only way that when you are spending your money only for essentials, when you differentiate between what is need and what is want, and spend your money only for your need, you will have better cash in your hand, you will have control. That's number 1, care for your cash. Number 2 is manage your debts properly. These are the times that once the lockdown get opened, there will be opportunity for everyone to go get easy loans, personal loans, credit card EMIs. Don't get to the trap. Anyone who gets into a credit trap, essentially because of non-payment to credit card outstanding and huge accumulation of personal loan, don't go into this trap. Home loan is better. Buying loan for, taking loan for home is okay, but personal loan and credit card EMIs, don't do that. Manage your debts better. Do not take loans after this lockdown period. Try to manage with your own funds. Number 2. Number 3, prepare for the worst. As I mentioned, there could be some cut in your salary. Salary compensation might get varied and you'll be put in the variables. But if you put your mind, prepare for the worst, then you will be in a better position to understand things and move on in your life. Most importantly, you will not complain. Everyone is having their own problems. Employer is having his own cash flows problem. The vendors are not paying. The supplier asking for the money. The employees, they are also having their own problems, salary cuts, so on and so forth. So prepare for the worst. Number 3. Number 4, upgrade your skills. Most of us are working from home. What is most important is learn certain skill which is related to your work area, which is in line with your work. If you want to take additional responsibility, or if you are switching for jobs from one company to another, these skills, these certificates will come very handy. We already spent a month, it might spend another 15 to, if that get extended, another 15 more days will be there. So upgrade your skills which is related to your profession. Extremely important, will come handy to you. Last but not the least, number 5 is manage or review your assets, whatever the assets you are owning at this point in time. What are the cash you have? What are the FDs you have? How much gold you have? What is the value of your real estate? How much financial estate you have? Put it under the paper and put this as a portfolio. Whether this portfolio is actually matching with the model portfolio. If you can able to compare, review, understand, observe, analyze, fantastic. If you are unable to do it, take some financial consultant help or wealth consultant help. Because what is most significant is that know what you own. The biggest difference between the successful people and the ordinary people is successful and rich people, they exactly know what they have. Ask them how much balance you have in their account, they will tell you exactly, appropriately. Ask them how much money they are carrying, they can able to tell you how much they have in the hand, as cash, as balance, as assets and everything. But most of us, because of our ignorance, we don't even open the statement when we receive from the post or mail. It's there as unread in the mailbox. So review your financial assets or all the assets for that matter and put it in the model portfolio and check whether the model portfolio and your portfolio has alignment. Most importantly, the basis of the wealth is have health insurance. Unprecedented times, accidents may happen at any point in time, emergency might come, be prepared. Have a term insurance, number 2, and most importantly, review all your assets periodically, like the way I have mentioned. Follow these 5 hacks. I am sure that you can able to manage your money with lesser pain, with more effectively and efficiently. Stay indoors, guys. Stay happy, stay healthy. I'll see you with another experience of mine. Till then, bye bye.